Hi and welcome to a new video. One of the noticeable updates within iOS 16 is the battery percentage in the status bar. However, have you already upgraded to the latest iOS version but the feature seems missing? In this video, I will show you how you can enable this feature on your iPhone. Let's go. Before anything else, is your iPhone among the following models? Namely iPhone XR, iPhone 11, iPhone 12 mini, or iPhone 13 mini. Unfortunately, the battery percentage feature is incompatible with these iPhone models, so you will not be able to see it even if you have updated to iOS 16. Otherwise, keep watching this video for more information on how to make this feature available. First off, double-check if your iPhone is now running on iOS 16 just to be sure. To check, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Go to General and choose Software Update. It should say that your iOS is currently up to date. If it isn't, download and install the update if available. After verifying the iOS version installed on your device, you can now proceed to enable the battery percentage feature. By default, this function should be enabled. However, if it doesn't appear in the status bar for some reason, navigate to Battery Configuration on your Settings. Then make sure the Battery Percentage toggle is activated. In addition, the battery percentage will always be visible when your iPhone is plugged into any power source, regardless if you have this feature enabled or not. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.